subscribe!
I am working this outfit. I should be on the catwalk. I need to strut my stuff.
Huh? Whoa, it's Annie! Time to bring my A-game. You look amazing.
I better get ready for class. I don't want to be late. Wait, Jake?
Maybe we could hang out later?
Anyone can look good in a dress. How much? Seriously? Looks like I need a different approach. Yeah, this'll do. Let's get to work. This looks better than I imagined. I feel so glamorous. But there's one more thing to do. Oh, hi, Jake.
Oh, gotta go, Annie. Luna, I'm so glad to see you. I'm loving the new look.
Huh? What is she wearing? It looks like a trash bag.
Knitting is so relaxing.
Mom, look at this! There's a school party!
Let me see that. I guess you can go.
I'm gonna need a new outfit. I can't wear this.
Let me think. I'll be right back.
I'll be waiting! This party will be so much fun! Mom?
What do you think? You'll look so cute. Try it on.
Is this a joke? What happened to it? There are holes in it. You can't be serious! There's no way I'm wearing this! You can't make me!
I thought you might say that. You don't understand fashion. I'll take another look. There must be something you can wear. Maybe not. Hang on. What's that? It's a piece of cardboard. It's a little dusty, but it's still good. We can turn it into something special. Oh, Annie?
What am I gonna do?
This will solve all our problems.
Are you sure about this?
It needs some work, but I know what to do. Don't move.
Mom! Wait! Stop! This is so weird.
I'm a genius. You look stunning.
Wow, how'd you do that? It looks great!
Let me do one more thing. We'll lose these glasses.
Whoa! Everything's so blurry! But I feel fabulous! I'm like a model. Ooh, I think I ate some hair. Thanks, Mom. You're the best!
I guess I am. I need to capture this moment. Strike a pose.
I better go. Bye, Mom!
She's growing up so fast.
Whoop whoop! I love this song! I can't stop dancing!
Hey, Brian. Can I get you a drink?
Oh yeah.
This is a great party. I'm so glad Brian's here. I mean, look at him. He's perfect. I could watch him move all day. Who knew he had rhythm? And he's so cute. Oh no! My skirt! Oh, it's ruined! This is a disaster! What am I gonna do? Wait, I have an idea. I can use my shirt. Yeah, this'll do. On second thought, I thought that would work.
I'm really working up a sweat. Phew, it's getting toasty in here.
Wait, that's it! I'll need to be quick. Come on, where is it? Got it. Let's do this. I'll fasten the top button. Then I'll wrap them around my waist. It'll be the perfect fit. Now I'll button them together. I need to hide my skirt. That's all of them. Next I'll turn up the collars. And I'll put a belt on. This'll hold it in place. I'll use the colors to conceal it. But what about the sleeves? Ah, I know. I'll tie them at the back. Wow! This looks so good! Oh, Brian, I've got your soda.
Oh, just what I need. Ooh, I like the fit.
You do? Wow! I designed it myself.
Yeah, you look fresh. Wait a second. That looks familiar. Where did my shirt go? What is going on?
Let's dance.
Sounds good to me!
What's your best fashion tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.
Another day, another embarrassment. We'll never be popular.
Forever the butt of every joke. I think I found something interesting. Want to learn more about 1, 2, 3 Go trends? Let's subscribe!
Please don't hurt!
I think it totally worked!
Wow, your hair!
Don't need these anymore.
Let's take these for a test drive.
Watch out, world. We're popular now.
We're new and improved.
Well, almost. Well, time to hit the hay, Teddy. We have a big day ahead of us.
Hey!
What's happening?
Get it?
Rock on! Uh-huh.
Woohoo!
Very good! You've been practicing, huh? A free rock show in my room! Just look at that fancy finger work!
Woohoo! Yeah!
Let's melt some faces!
Yeah, rock on!
Whoa! All the gummy bears!
Oh, guess they're on the floor now. I can't waste the blue ones.
Stacy! No!
What?
Wait, don't get upset.
But, my candy! This is so unfair!
Now I feel bad. Yeah!
See this silicone ring? Place the gummy bears inside the slit. All the way around. Once that's all done, pour some liquid gel over it all. Don't go too fast now. You want to get all of the bears. And once it's all finished, you'll have a cool bracelet.
Rock and roll, baby!
Huh? For me?
Give me your wrist. Now you can always have your teddies.
Cool! Woohoo! Thanks, bro!
Give me some love.
Cool! One more thing.
What?
I have this awesome shirt to match.
For me? Yeah!
Looking good, bro! It takes a real man to wear pink. Hey, I'm here for my training session.
In that… Unacceptable! Go change!
Change?
Oh, but this is all I've got!
Ugh! Read!
Huh? Oh, I can wear sportswear? BRB!
I love this thing.
All set.
Do you see ice around here?
You said sportswear!
Feel the burn.
Is this better?
No! No!
Ugh.
This girl is unbelievable. Phew! What now?
Yeah?
I don't get paid enough for this.
How about now?
No!
Seriously? Oh yeah, get grooving.
Expressing yourself comes in many different forms. Oftentimes when you least expect it. Looks bad, right? But if you're creative enough, you can turn your clothes in full-blown masterpieces. Stay tuned for more clothing hacks. These ghosts don't know what's coming to them.
What's so exciting about these games? She had a queen instead.
I'm trying to concentrate, Mom.
Okay, fine. This thing's sure dusty. Sophia! How old are those socks? Oh, it's like she lives in a barn. Your socks!
These?
They're atrocious! To fix a hole like this, simply follow this pattern. Keep going, circling around the hole. Go around again and again until the hole closes up. End with a thread inside a sock.
Huh? My sock! Pretty cool, I guess. Thanks, Mom.
You're not hiding any more holes, are you? Very good. Remember, Sophia, there's no one like Mom.
Ooh, that AC is really blasting. I don't have my jacket, so this blanket will have to do. Getting there, toesies. This blanket's too small. Come on, warm up, little guys. Oh, fine. I'll get my socks. There you are. Wait,
No.
a moth? Hey there. You're eating my cashmere? You're so dead. Get out of here, stupid moth. No one eats my wardrobe. Say goodbye. Now to fix these holes. Cut the sleeve to match this fold. Get rid of the rest of the sweater. Then use it to line your favorite sandals. Fold the sleeve over the shoe and use the other end the same way. Now you've got slippers. Perfect for keeping those tootsies toasty. Who needs socks when you can have these? Now I can really get cozy. Top it off with some hot tea. Huh? That thing's still alive?
You won the battle, not the war, human.
Whatever, moth. Another Monday for the books. Hey, is that the new guy? And he rides a motorcycle? He's even more handsome up close. I'm going in. Hi, I'm Sophia. You're new here, huh? Okay, I get it. Today was the worst day. I feel so invisible. Boy troubles. How did you know? This is him.
Leave it to me. The magic's all in this box. But first, let's get rid of these. And these. Now look at me. I can work with that. A little lipstick. Now we're talking. My work here is done. Let me look at you.
I feel amazing.
You could use some of these.
Tights?
Snip, snip. A couple careful cuts. And you've got new sleeves.
I look perfect. Hey, thanks.
See ya.
Let's see how he'll ignore me now.
Whoa, who's that? Nice sleeves. Need a ride?
Sure. It totally worked. Safety first. Let's do it.
And they both lived happily ever after. Ice cream and good music? It's the perfect Saturday. Almost perfect. Not gonna let it ruin my vibe. So good. Huh? Hello? Surprise! I'm at the door. Oh, that's great. Oh, this can't be happening. I've gotta change fast. Oh, where is everything? Oh, wait. The laundry! What am I gonna do now? I have an idea. I can wrap it around my waist and tie it in a cute knot. But I'm not done yet. The sides can also come in. Now for another knot. Pull it through, then turn the whole thing around. I found the sleeves! And it covers the stain perfectly. So pretty, right? Yay! Did I left my phone in here? Are these flowers for me? Sorry to keep you waiting.
Anything for you.
Hey! That game was crazy! We kicked some serious butt.
Practice sure pays off. What are you doing tonight?
Ooh! Looks like I'm going on a date.
Whoa, with Theo? You two are so in love.
You could say that.
What I meant was… Huh? Sophia!
What? That ball gave me a beating! I can't go out like this! But not all hope is lost. In fact, I have the perfect solution. Ta-da! 2 pair of tights? Together? Interesting. Start with the ones that match your skin. Once those are on, put the black tights on top. Keep going. Stand up. Well, see any bruises? No black and blue here. It's like I've got new legs. Thanks, Patty. Anytime. Bye! Think any of these clothing hacks will come in handy? Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a thing.